Hello kids, this is your teacher and welcome to a new challenge. Let's create dinosaurs. First, we are going to study about some characteristics of the animals. We are to make two big groups of animals, which are vertebrates. They are animals that have spine and bones, and invertebrates. They do not have a spine or bones like this worm. Vertebrates, like the one that you see in the photo, have a skeleton inside them. Most of them have a head, a torso, limbs, and a tail. Do you know which animal this is? Yes, you're right. It was a crocodile. Invertebrates do not have a spine. They're usually smaller than vertebrates, like the snail, or these mussels, or these centipede. And how do they protect their bodies if they do not have a skeleton? Some of them have no protection. They have soft bodies like these small caterpillar. Some others have a shell, like the snail. And some others have an exoskeleton to protect them, like this crab. Let's go with the first classification of vertebrates. We classify them into 5 big groups: mammals, amphibians, fish, birds, and reptiles. Let's go with the first group. Mammals. They have hair or fur. They breathe with lungs. They are viviparous. Mammals feed their babies with milk. Most mammals live on land. Some mammals live in water, but there's one that can fly. The dog is a mammal that lives on land. The dolphin lives in water, and the one that can fly, yes, the bat. Amphibians is another group of vertebrates. They have moist skin. They can live on land or in water. When they are young, they breathe with gills, but later they develop lungs. These tiny tadpoles are breathing with gills, but when they are adults, like this frog, they breathe with lungs. Next group, fish. They live in water. They have scales and fins to swim, and they breathe with gills. Look at the gills of a shark and the fins. Next group, the birds. Birds have 2 wings and they are covered with feathers. They breathe with lungs. Most of them can fly like these goose. And some others can't fly like these penguin. And the last group, the reptiles. They have dry, scaly skin. They breathe with lungs. Some reptiles have 4 legs. Some others do not have any legs. The crocodile has 4 legs, but look at the snake. It has no legs. Let's go with invertebrates now. Most of the animals in the world are invertebrates. There are many groups, but we are to study 3 of them, which are mollusks, arthropods, and worms. Let's go with the first group, mollusks. They have a soft and muscular body. Many mollusks live in the sea. This is a snail, which is a mollusk, and the octopus that lives in the sea. Second group, arthropods. Their bodies have 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, thorax, and the abdomen. Many of them have antennae, look. They can have 6 legs, 8 legs like the spider, or even more like this centipede. And the last group of invertebrates are worms. They have a long, soft body. Some live on land and some others in water. Some worms are parasites. They feed from other animals because they live inside or on the skin of them, like this one. And we finish with a classification. Look, vertebrates are classified into 5 big groups: mammals, amphibians, fish, birds, and reptiles. And invertebrates into three main ones: mollusks, arthropods, worms, although there are more. And now our challenge, which is, how would it be a worm dinosaur or a wormsaur or a fish dinosaur or a fishosaur or an arthropod dinosaur or arthrosaur? Let's draw a picture of each of them. Thank you very much. Goodbye.